Prime Day is an excellent opportunity to go shopping for a garage door opener motor. In fact, in this video, we're going to provide you some insight on some of the best deals that you can get for a garage door opener motor on Prime Day 2023. Let's party. Nice. Chamberlain rail assembly. Okay, so that's a very good sign. So the beamUP product is just one of the many garage door opener motors that will be available for purchase on Prime Day 2023. And I really like this product. We had the privilege of visiting the beamUP facility out over in Texas, and we got a first-hand look of this garage door opener motor. And there's so much going on here that really excites me. In fact, everything that comes in the box is all that you need for a complete garage door installation, or I should say a garage door motor installation. They are including a wireless keypad. They are going to include 2 remote transmitters, which is very important. And of course, they're giving you the option whether you want to install their Wi-Fi beamUP software, their garage door controller. If you're getting all of this in the box, if you're getting the ability to connect Wi-Fi or not to your garage door opener motor, that gives more choices to customers. I'm just glad that this thing didn't come with a camera, because it would have obviously drove the price up. More importantly, it is built with LEDs inside. And these LEDs are really nice because you get an LED under the housing and you get LEDs on the sides. And being able to get illuminated LEDs, nice bright lighting in your garage, to me, that feature is more appealing than a camera, because good lighting can deter thieves or criminals from going into your garage. Naturally, you want to be able to have good lighting to get into your garage, to be able to maneuver around your garage, and the wall button, the wall console that comes with it, you can turn on the light feature. So the fact that you have the ability to turn on the LEDs from the wall console is a nice feature. Trust me, not all the garage door opener motors that will be on sale for Prime Day will have that feature. Thus, if you're interested in a garage door opener motor that offers multi-function features from the wall console, do your homework, because some just come with a single wall button. In addition to that, this garage door opener motor will come with a LiftMaster style rail assembly, and I'm just stoked about that, because if there's any rail assembly that you're going to mimic, you definitely want to mimic the LiftMaster or Chamberlain brand. Now, it's worth noting that this particular model from beamUP is the BU850. This happens to be their flagship high-end belt drive garage door opener motor. And again, it's offering a lot of bang for your buck. Oh, and before I forget, this model is battery backup compliant. It has the battery inside the actual housing. You can take off these screws right here, open the housing up, and you can actually find the battery backup inside there. I appreciate the fact that they're trying to conceal the battery, making it easier for homeowners, but I do see challenges perhaps in the future where the homeowner may not know how to get into this housing and to change out that battery backup. So please, if you find yourself in that situation, read your manual, find tech support, reach out to a dealer contractor so that you can get the guidance necessary to do that. For transparency, beamUP is not sponsoring this video. In fact, none of the garage door motors mentioned in this Amazon Prime Day video has sponsored this video. So all of the opinions that are expressed on this video is basically with my time and experience with these products. But this video does have a sponsor, and that sponsor is our own merch store. On our merch store, you can find a number of baseball caps for the garage door enthusiast. For example, like this cap right here that we have with a spring size. There's also a coffee mug. And again, it's just one way that we can keep these videos unbiased, and at the same time, you, the viewer, can support this channel. Now, perhaps you don't want to give beamUP garage door opener motors a chance, and that's perfectly fine. Perhaps you are partial to Genie, perhaps you're partial to Chamberlain. But what I will say is that whenever you're looking at a garage door motor offering on Prime Day, please keep in mind that you are looking at pretty much apples for apples. That is, all of these brands such as Genie, Chamberlain, beamUP, even some of the knockoff brands like Skylink, they're all retail garage door opener motors. And that's one of the things that I usually find on Prime Day, is that they don't necessarily offer the Pro line motors. You might get some of like the contractor motors on Prime from LiftMaster, but they won't be the 84504R, they won't be the 87504, or any of the other pro grade garage door opener motors that you can get from a dealer contractor right now. Now, with that being said, you can get the retail version of their wall mount garage door opener motors. In the case of the Genie product, you're looking at the 6172. In the case of the Chamberlain, you're looking at the RJO 70. Soon there's going to be an RJO 100 or 101 if I'm not mistaken. These are going to be the retail offerings of these wall mount garage door opener motors from the big box store brands. Clearly they're virtually going to be the same from the Pro line motors, which I'm not crazy about, because as a dealer installer, as a dealer contractor, I would like to see differences between these two models, and I don't think they do enough between the 6172 and the 6170 and the 8500W with the RJO 70. So again, I just want to highlight that if you are going retail, that's perfectly fine. You can. I think you will find some differences perhaps with customer service and your warranty, but nevertheless, they're going to be pretty much the same motors. But the good news is about those retail wall mount garage door opener motors is that they work perfectly fine. They will fit perfectly in those needs where you want to alleviate or perhaps eliminate the overhead space above your garage so you can apply shelving, or if you want to make your garage a high lift garage and you can apply a wall mount garage door opener motor. Again, the retail versions are going to work perfectly fine. They are going to do great, and on Prime Day, if you're looking for one, maybe it's the time to buy. So if you're in the Genie camp, then look no further than the Genie 7155 TKV or any of those versions. The 7155 from Genie is my go-to pick from the retail products. I would only avoid the 7155 or the 7055 from Home Depot. Those Signature Series motors, no, I would avoid those. I don't like those motors. I would look at the one that's off of Amazon, the OG 7155, that has the better design, that has the better programming buttons. Trust me, avoid the Signature Series 7155. Go with the Amazon or the Costco version of the 7155. Now, if you don't like Genie and you prefer to go with Chamberlain, then I would look no further than the Chamberlain B6753T. I have said it time and time again on this channel. That motor gives you an almost flagship experience. It has everything that you need, even an HD camera. And quite frankly, I don't know of anyone right now that I've ever installed that motor that said, I hate this thing. All of them pretty much love it. I do find that it's a little noisy, but when you're considering a garage door opener motor for Prime Day, that gives you a lot of features, especially on the security side with that HD camera. The Chamberlain product, the B6753T, yeah, that's a no-brainer. Now, if you're a fan of the Craftsman brand, then look no further at the CMXEO CG982 garage door opener motor. I'm happy to report that this particular model is now available on Amazon. Finding it for a deal on Prime Day is a no-brainer because it comes with everything that you need, even LED bulbs that will not interfere to the remote transmitters. The only thing it doesn't have is a camera, but again, I don't think you need a camera. That motor is stellar, and I love the red hot cherry housing to it. This looks like a hot rod. But if there's any retail garage door opener motor that I would consider on Prime Day, then it would be the beamUP BU850. That garage door opener motor has a lot going for it in its design, in its style, in its features, and being able to give you the liberty to make that garage door opener motor a Wi-Fi product or not. That's just a real big plus because a lot of people don't want to pay for those extra features or don't want it installed. So being able to connect it, disconnect it, that makes a lot of sense. So beamUP is doing some really great things. All of these garage door opener motors that have been highlighted in this video, there are affiliate links in the description, and that's just another way that you can support this channel. Now, I do have individual reviews of these garage door opener motors, so if you're interested in seeing them, let's keep this party going. Let's go ahead and check out any of these videos right here. As always, I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.